Hello, everybody. My today's tip is about the words both, either, and neither. The last two words you can pronounce as either and neither. There is no difference, so all these three words are used to talk about two things or people. Let's call them A and B. For the word both, we have A and B, or two of two. For example, I like both apples and oranges. For the word either, we have A or B, or one of two. For example, I want to go either to the park or to the cinema. And for the word neither, we have zero of two, or not A and not B. For example, I like neither cooking nor cleaning. Attention! Here the word neither has already a negative meaning. There needs to be an affirmative singular verb. So, you can't say I don't like neither cooking nor cleaning. It needs to be I like neither cooking nor cleaning. Even though it might seem a bit strange when you try to translate it to your mother language or mother tongue. Also, you can use either with a negative verb to replace neither with a positive verb. Let me give you an example. You can say, I have neither time nor money, or I don't have either time or money. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching.